Behold, the Larapinta Trail. You'll never find a hike anywhere that better exemplifies Australia than the Larapinta Trail. One down, 260-ish to go. It's got huge cliffs and ridges, sweeping desert views such as from atop the Section 3 high route, and a beautifully crafted trail. The Larapinta Trail has also got shaded gaps, narrow chasms, deep gorges and secluded waterholes. And water so refreshing and remote that it'll make you go just a little bit crazy. But it were the mountains that I was there for. A few more memorable moments included admiring the geology and fossilized signs of the ocean, getting sweeping views at lookouts like Serpentine Gorge Lookout and Counts Point, and adding a little detour to spend a night on the bank of Glen Helen Gorge. Oh, and the birds! Wonderful. So many finches! And wedgies, peregrine falcons, and of course budgies. Ladies and gentlemen, Mount Giles. Having admired Mount Giles from afar on my previous Red Centre trip, I made sure to summit it this time. The views from the top made for a few unforgettable days of off-track remote hiking through Ormiston town. From on top of the town! And then, of course, standing at 1,380 metres tall, there's Mount Sonder, the climax of the whole trail. No, I did not. Thank you for following the fro along my journey, and I hope that you too, one day, find yourselves along the Larapinta Trail! No joke, best macaroni cheese I've ever had.